Hi, Terry VanNoy. Welcome to Math Class with Terry V. Hope this video helps you out, and if you enjoy it, please share it, comment, or like it. And you can also go to my website, MathPowerLine.com. It's a math resource blog, lesson videos for students, and other resources for parents and teachers. Give me a call or go to my website or email. All right, let's go to today's lesson. Now let's go and finish this video series. This is the self-quiz part of this video series. We've been talking about borrowing when you are subtracting mixed numbers. Now when you get to these self-quizzes, I'm going to have to assume you've looked at the other videos and you have a pretty good idea of how to do these, and now you're just going to kind of test yourself out and see how well you really do know them. So grab a piece of paper, write these problems out, give yourself some space to work, and then continue the video and see if you're right. Here they are, these four problems. You have to find a common denominator. You will have to borrow on all four, and make sure you remember that shortcut I showed you. And good luck. Go ahead and pause. Alright, well you can see the answers, and let me show you step by step how to get each answer. Number one, the answer is 1 and 28/39. So here's the process. I see the 13 and the 3 for denominators, and I notice that 39 has to be my common denominator. So in the first fraction, multiply top and bottom by 3. In the second fraction, multiply top and bottom by 13. That's going to give us this. So I rewrite each of these fractions, and I notice that 26/39 is bigger than 15/39. So yes, I have to borrow. Now the borrowing process, as I showed in the video before this, I borrow from the 7 to give me a 6 whole number, and then I am borrowing a whole 39/39 added to the 15/39 that I already have. So the shortcut is to add 15 and 39. That's going to give me 54/39. Now we subtract to get our answer, 1 and 28/39. All right, hopefully you got that. Number two, here's the answer, 1 and 155/208. Now, yes, that's a pretty ugly answer, but here's how we get it. I look at the 16 and the 13, and it happens that the common denominator is 208. That's 16 times 13. So the first fraction, multiply top and bottom by 13s. The second fraction, multiply top and bottom by 16s. Here's what the new fractions look like. Now I notice 144 is larger than 91. I can't subtract until I borrow. So borrow from the 3, which gives us a 2 whole number. Add those two parts together, which is 299, and keep the same denominator. All right, nice to have that shortcut there to speed things up just a little bit. Now when we subtract, 299 minus 144 is 155, and my whole number of 1, denominator 208. There you go. All right, let's look at number 3. My answer is 6 and 7/15. But how did I get that? Well, the denominators here are 15 and 3, and so we're going to keep the 15 as my common denominator. So now we're going to have 8 and 2/15. That's going to stay the same. Now we're going to subtract 1 and 10/15. And of course, we have to borrow. All right, let's rewrite it. Borrow from the 8 to get 7. 2 plus 15 is 17, and it's 15ths. Now we can subtract. 17 take away 10 is 7. 6 and 7/15. All right, not too bad on that one. Now let's look at number 4. The denominator for a 10 and a 7, we're going to choose 70. 6 and 7/70 minus 4 and 40/70. Yes, we do have to borrow. So borrow from the 6, which becomes a 5, and 7 plus 70 is 77/40. Now we subtract and we get 37/70 whole number of 1. All right, that's your self-quiz, and as always, I'm glad that you tried it on paper and didn't just watch me do it. Thanks for watching this video series, and share and give me some comments and feedback. I appreciate it. All right, there you have it. I invite you to go to my website now, MathPowerLine.com, or email me or give me a call. The way I work best with students is live online in my classroom. So if I can help you in any way, answer some specific questions, the first lesson with me is free as I show you how everything works. All right, study hard and take care.